In this video, I'll guide you through how to contact Ionos support. If you're having trouble with your hosting, your domain, or anything in your account, reaching the right support channel quickly can save you a lot of time and frustration. So let's walk through step by step how to get to the Ionos live chat support from their website. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to the main Ionos website. Once you're there, look for the contact page. You can usually find this either by scrolling to the very bottom of the home page, where many sites place their contact links, or by checking the main navigation options at the top. Your goal here is simply to reach the dedicated Ionos contact page, where all support options are collected in one place. When you arrive on the Ionos contact page, take a moment to let it load fully, then look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see a support button. This is the main entry point into their help and assistance area. Go ahead and click that support button. Think of this as opening the door to all of Ionos's help resources, from FAQs to direct contact methods. After you click the support button, you'll be taken to a page focused on assistance. On this page, look for an option labeled Contact Us. This is usually clearly visible because it's the section where you can actually get in touch with a person rather than just reading help articles. Click the Contact Us option. This tells the site that you're looking for direct support rather than just browsing for information. Once you're on the Contact Us page, scroll down slowly. Ionos often lists different ways to reach them, such as phone support, email, or help centers. What you're looking for specifically is the section labeled Ionos Live Chat. Keep scrolling until you see that heading. Live chat is a great option if you want real-time help without waiting on hold, and it's especially useful if you're working at your computer and can easily copy and paste details like error messages or domain names. When you find the Ionos live chat section, look for a button or link that says Start Chat. Click Start Chat to begin. At this point, a chat window should open, either as a small pop-up on the right or as a new panel on the page. You may be asked to enter some basic details, such as your name, your customer ID, or a brief description of the issue you're facing. Filling this out clearly can help the support agent understand your problem more quickly. Before you start typing your message, it's a good idea to have any important information handy, such as your domain name or the specific product you need help with. This can make the chat smoother and reduce back and forth questions. Once you're ready, type your question or explain the issue, then wait a moment for an agent to join the chat and respond, and that's all you need to do. By following these steps, you can quickly reach Ionos live chat support whenever you need help.